Hello guys, dahil no work tayo today, maghapon na lang daw tayong uminom ng kape. Kape is life. At saka yung asukal natin, social. LB. Sugar. Wow. Look at that. Social yung sugar. LB. Meron tayong green tea. Biscuit. Meron tayong diet na bread oat. Ito naman siya masarap. Ang sarap nito. Ito naman is no sugar, digestive, zero milk, no added sugar. Ito naman ay snack. Ito naman ay dates. So, coffee is life. Plus, Nescafe Gold. Sarap na itong Nescafe Gold na ito. Yung coffee is life talaga. Come on guys, let's drink coffee. Ali tea ginger. 2-in-1 coffee. Ang dami natin konsumo ngayon. Ito naman yung 3-in-1. 3-in-1. Ito naman ay 2-in-1. Walang sugar. Ito marami siyang sugar. Ito rin ay sugar. May sugar din.